Yo, what up? AK Digital Mix here for our first gameplay. I am K. Little face reveal thing. If you couldn't tell by the voice, yes, I am K, aka Calvin. I am here to play FIFA 21. It just came out today, at least the trial version. It's the full version is gonna come out in a couple of days and stuff. But I can have EA play, and I'm here to do it. So we're just going to get into this video. It's going to be a pack opening and probably also just building the team off of what I get. Make sure to like and subscribe even before the video starts. And let's get into this. It looks like you have some items to deal with. Oh, it's the Mbappe thingy. God dang it. Okay. Now we can open the packs. Can't open a ton, but I can open enough. Hopefully. I don't know all the things. I know walkout. I know what that is. But I don't know what the board is specifically. I know that's nothing. Jeez. Alright, whatever. We're just gonna save everything. We are gonna do this. Hopefully we can get something that's worth selling. Is that a walkout? I swear it was. Hey, Bernardo Silva. Hey, in the second pack. What? Alright. Okay, I wonder how much he is. I know we should realistically keep him, but I want that card. And I don't know how much he's going for right now. He could go for maybe I should save on to him because he's going cheap right now. And I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna save him for now, just because I think he'll probably go up in price. Maybe because that seems cheap for an 87. Honestly, it does. But we're gonna. That's a decent pack. They're not all gonna be like that, obviously, but hey, it's a walkout already. So we're just gonna keep opening packs. I'm burning through these, by the way. I don't know what a board is, by the way. Like I don't know the tell or whatever it's called. How to tell if it's a board. I know how to tell if it's a walkout. Seen stuff on that, but I don't know what it is for a board. I don't know what it looks like, to be honest. But that's whatever. Let's just keep doing this. We have a limited amount of time. I know people tell you like do it on the companion app. But I want to see this. Like I want to see myself get Rafinha. I don't know. And then we're gonna go through what we get and then probably sell a bunch. I might do that on the companion app though. Just because I don't feel like I have enough time to be doing that on this. We only got 10 hours. And so. Oh, board. Goalkeeper. I don't know players like that, I'm not gonna lie. Head Recce. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Yes, he is. Look at that. I knew he'd be worth like a decent amount his first week, and people want Premier League players. First duplicate. Don't show this message again. Oh my god. You know the players that are gonna go right now are people in the Premier League, just because that's the league everyone wants to play in, or wants their players to be in. I didn't mean to skip. What we got? Ruben Neves. He's another player that actually he's got low pace, and people are pace abusers. So he might not go for. Oh no, he's going for around 2K. That's good, to be honest. I'll take that. I will take that. But I'm gonna do all that trading later. I'm just trying to finish up some of these points. Oh my god. Today is probably just gonna be me opening packs. Well, in this video at least. I will definitely be playing more. Okay, another Premier League player. Not great though. Just pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. Whatever. Still just firing through these. I want something else that's good. Another board, maybe. Class niche. I might actually keep him. He's gonna work for my team. This week 1 team is gonna be ropes. But I mean, I got Bernardo Silva, so I'll definitely help it. Jeez. Early on, man. Come on. I still don't know what a board tell is. Vegas. I'm not gonna be keeping him. Definitely not. My team is probably also gonna be a Prem team, so I mean, what's the point of keeping players like that? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Oh, he's got pace though. That's about it. Oh, we also have to look at chem styles and stuff. Because sometimes those go for a bit. I don't know if they still do. Like, Shadow went for a lot, and the other one, same with Hunter. Maybe, what was it called? Catalyst. That went for a bit. Okay. This is just improving my team. You know, I know they're not great players, but they work. They work for my team. This is week 1. Ain't nobody gonna have like amazing teams. I mean, unless the content creators that freaking got the game early, spent thousands on packs and stuff, they're gonna have it. I swear I already have him. He's not great. Yeah, I already have him. I doubt he goes for anything, but I'm gonna check still. And I'm just gonna put him up there because it's like little coins, but you know, it might do something. Because we're trying to get up to not Bernardo, so sorry, Bruno Fernandes level for coins. But obviously, come on, just keep plowing through these. We don't have a lot left. We're gonna try to get these done. Only got 2K left. Hopefully we get something else good. At least we got a walkout. That was the highlight. A walkout and a board. Other than that, I haven't gotten anything, which kind of sucks. Wish we did. Oh, Shadow. I saw that Shadow chem style. Hopefully it goes for something. Oh, getting up to 100K points. Tough, fam. It's gonna be tough. I'm not even at 15. Sahabi. Sahabi? Sahabi. I don't know. I don't know pronunciation. Oh! 1900 points left. Come on. Another board at least. I've been seeing people pack some mad stuff. Just saying. Bernardo Silva, I'm not gonna complain about that though. But still, I should get at least something else. At least another board. If I can get another board, I'm happy with that. 2 boards and a walkout. It's not bad for only having like, what did I have? 4,600 points, something like that. For only having that, it's not bad. Honestly. So that's why I want at least one more. At least one more board. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. That's too hard to get. Gora. Kocha. at you. Oh, oh. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Oh, come on. We can get through these. We want to play some actual games. Probably only to play like one game in this video, because the rest will be dedicated to the facts. But no. Oh, board. There you go. Right back. Oh! It's a big one. It's a big... Okay. I might sell him. I'm not gonna lie. Like, he'd be great for my team, but look at how much he'd be going for right now. Look. Yep. I'm probably 20k. Or not even. 15k right now. Yep. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. See, we want those kinds of players, the ones that go for stuff. Alphonso Davies, I want him, because he goes for like, I don't know, like 30, 40k right now, which he wouldn't be going for. It's just because he has mad pace as a left back. It's the only reason. But you know, that's just how it be. People like pace abusing, myself included. Oh. We're almost down. We're almost down to 1,000 points. Let's get it. Okay, we're not getting anything anymore. Come on, Pixel. Almost up to 15,000 points. That's not much, but you know what? Let's take what I can get. Come on, just another walkout or another board. I'll take either. Okay. That would work for my team. Actually, I already have another one. I need to see who's better. Because if not, I'll sell one of them. Honest to God, I will sell one of them. Just because, why not? Get a little extra coinage. Because people want Prem players, like I've been saying. People want Prem. That's the league that is most, like, wanted. Hey! Right back. Wolves. I swear, Portugal. Also, Semedo is sick, so I'm gonna get rid of Wan-Bissaka. Or I don't know who goes for more. Honest to God, okay. Although let's see who goes for more right now. Oh, Semedo definitely goes for more. Okay. Actually, I don't know. But that's sick. So I got Wan-Bissaka and Semedo. So I can really choose. And that's an extra 15, 16,000 coins. That's not bad. Alright, so I'm happy with what we got. I'd like another walkout though. Nope, no walkout. Bruma. Like a broom. Well, I'm gonna have to see what my team is gonna be looking at after this. I already did the loyalty packs and stuff. They weren't that great, but you know what? Something. Ooh, this thing. Can I get an inform? Little team of the week. Hawk. Oh, how many more can I get? Come on, at least be a rare. I prefer a rare more than anything, at least right now. At least I'd prefer a board or a walkout. Honestly, I would take either. Oh, what is this? It's just a rare, probably. Yep. I keep getting this guy. Oh, he's not great, so I'm gonna get rid of him. I mean, he goes for a lickle thing. Just a lickle thing. Board? Nope. Vitolo. I think that was it. I think that's all I have. I'll spend yak for let's see how much. I have 100 points. You're not gonna see this. I'm back. I just spent a little bit more just to get those little extra. Just for one more pack. Just one more. I doubt it'll do anything. Little team. It's another rare. Lalana. Oh, he's not at Liverpool anymore. He could have gone anywhere. Brighton, really though. Oh, Hunter. Yes. That is big. All right. Okay, we're done with that. Let's check out the squad. You're gonna see what I built so far. Nothing really amazing, obviously, because it's a basic team right now. No, there's no way I can change. Okay, so that's the team. That's a decent day one team. Metal my